Hello and a warm welcome to this weekend special where we bring you the lighter moments of the high-profile personalities. Our today's guest is Akali Dal Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, Mr. Naresh Gujral, who's supposed to be a man with many facets. Right now, we are at his office. Let's go and meet him. Hi, Mr. Gujral. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good to have you. Come, we can sit that side.
Okay. So you're busy at work right now?
Well, that's part of life.
Okay. Yeah. When your father was a Prime Minister, were you of great help to him at that point of time? What was your contribution to politics?
I think I was not contributing directly in that sense that in terms of his politics, because he had made one thing very clear, that you will stay away from anything official.
Okay.
But yes, we were giving him feedback. Once you are Prime Minister, you are cut off from people to an extent because life becomes a little isolated. So I was constantly giving him feedback, or what I call reality check.
People know that you are a multifaceted personality completely. Tell us something about how you developed this side of your life, about your love for interiors, your fashion designing. Not many people know about it. Just tell us something about that.
Actually, I think I'm lucky.
Okay.
That I'm a chartered accountant by training, and it was by accident that I got into the field of design and export of ladies' fashion way back in the 70s. It had also a little bit to do with my interest in international travel.
Okay.
I was a young boy, and this had all the glamour, it had international travel. And as I said, I hit lucky, I found the right buyers.
Okay.
So the company prospered, the business prospered.
So in fact, your office looks entirely like an art gallery. So why don't you
Thank you. Come.
show us
Yes,
around?
certainly.
Your gallery really looks beautiful. So wherever you've been traveling, you collect paintings from there. Okay.
Sometimes these painters become famous, like that horse that you see is Manu Parekh.
Okay.
And now he's a very big painter, but would you believe it? I paid him 2,000 rupees to buy that painting.
At that point of time.
Because at that time nobody knew who Manu Parekh was.
Yeah. Okay, so this is your office where you
Well,
design
this is a
fabrics.
showroom, this is not the office, but
Okay.
you will see what is selling in France right now. This is our latest collection. 3 times a year, this collection is presented in France and then sold all over Europe.
Okay.
And the main thing is that we sell the vibrancy of India. You can see how colorful it is. This is small collection for the children. You know, you can see how it has a mix of stripes, flowers. You know, it's yeah.
Which is the latest line you're working on?
This
basically? This is the one.
This is the one which
Okay.
is
Why
for
don't you show
winter.
us,
This will come into the market next year.
Okay.
You know, this is winter,
Okay.
and then all this is for the summer, which is if you go to walk
Wow,
into
this is a really
a shop
pretty
in
one.
London or Paris, you will find dresses like these, or you know, prints like these.
Yeah.
This is currently being shipped to France
Okay.
and being sold in France,
Yeah.
and you know, you can see so much handwork.
Yeah. So you get these motifs done on the fabric, or
Yes, absolutely. Everything is custom made.
okay.
I will show you where it's, you know, this is where the designers work, but I'll show you inside where
Yeah.
actual work is done.
Okay. So we'll go and see that.
I'll now take you to where we actually translate these designs into garments. This is the workshop, but this workshop is only doing samples. There's no production happening here. Yeah, so all these people are making prototype samples.
So because, I mean, you're there on the part of so many committees, you're part of the standing committee, so how do you, I mean, obviously a lot of reading is also required, so do you get enough time to read?
What I do is that I have cut out my socializing a great deal. So evenings is devoted to reading.
Okay, so I can see this love for carpets, huh?
My friend
Okay, okay.
He and
So
I
you
went to school
you
together.
generally like instrumental, no?
Also, he and I went to school together, so we're very old friends and still remain good friends.
Okay. I also read somewhere, Mr. Gujral, that you had designed a dress for Lady Diana once upon a time. Just tell
Years
us,
ago, I was
tell
a
us a
young
little
man.
about that.
In fact, we had designed a dress and it's sold in London, and Lady Diana picked it up. And then suddenly one day I was told that in Australia she was photographed wearing this dress.
But that never happens.
No, it did. And somebody sent me that photograph
No,
later.
because it said that royalty doesn't wear.
Royalty never wears anything when they
Manufactured in
travel
India.
abroad, but made in England.
Okay.
And she thought that it looked very English, so it could pass.
Okay.
She never realized that somebody would photograph her and that the photograph would find its way to us. And then we went to town to say that, this is designed and manufactured by my company.
And it's really beautiful.
This carpet actually is a gift to my father from Nawaz Sharif,
Okay.
who's
This is
a
one.
very dear friend of my father's. And this is the Pakistani carpet.
This is really nice. So your father gifted it to you.
That's right.
Okay. So Mr. Gujral, you got a beautiful garden.
Thank you.
But
And
are you
both my
really
wife
able
and
to-
I, we're both very fond of plants.
Okay.
So we wanted to design it in a way that it gave you, it's not very large,
Okay.
but that it should feel like a forest. Nothing is beyond a man's capacity to achieve. And I've always followed that motto. And I'm reminded of an Urdu couplet,
Yeah.
खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है.
I think that's a right note to end the program. Mr. Gujral, it was
Thank you.
lovely meeting you
Thank
and
you,
seeing
and
your
pleasure to
house.
see you. Thank you.
So see you next week again with another personality. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.